Hello and welcome to Art with Nikki. Today, as you might hear, we're really busy in the workshop, so I'll make this introduction rather quick. We're going to start today with the first of about 8 small videos to show you how to paint. So there's going to be different techniques. There's going to be gradient or ombre, sgraffito, we're going to do some palette knife work. So enjoy the videos, watch them, and hopefully you'll build up like a library or a bank to help you when you're doing your paintings and using techniques. So watch the videos, have fun, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.